Meanwhile, residents recall vivid memories of what was once here in Elmira. Clemens Center Theatre, named after Samuel Clemens, who went by Mark Twain, was hit by the floodwaters, suffering structural damages. Our 18 News reporter Van Delbridge is live in the studio with how the local theater has rebuilt over the years. Good evening, Van.
Good evening, Kevin. The devastation of Hurricane Agnes nearly 50 years ago, come June 23rd, still echoes for residents here in the Twin Tiers. In the aftermath of the storm's destruction, the Clemens Center Theatre is one landmark that was hit hard by the floodwaters of Agnes, in turn suffering structural damages to the interior and exterior of the venue.
The fire company apparently high-pressure hoses to wash the mud down the seats, and there was this big stinking mess here in the pit area. The stage of Clemens Center is below street level. So that compounded the depth of the water, and where we're standing right now, 8 feet of water on the stage.
Peckham says his dad, along with other volunteers, were a part of repairing the affected pipe organs before the flood of 1972 hit. Peckham says that the original organ the Clemens Center Theatre housed is now in Palo Alto, California, in part to not being in use for some time after the flood. For now, live in the studio, I'm Van Delbridge. Back to you, Kevin.